Hello, friends.
Today I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos without premium using a free app called PreTube. First, go to your Apple App Store and search for PreTube. Download and install the app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, open the app and type the name of the song or video you want. PreTube will load YouTube content directly inside the app. The best part? You can play music in the background or even with your screen off, just like YouTube Premium but free. So if you want non-stop music without paying monthly fees, try PreTube today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips.